In the vast expanse of time, the fate of our planet is intricately tied to the life cycle of the star that gives us light and warmth. Join us as we explore the distant future, a time when the sun will transform and Earth's destiny will be forever changed. Our sun, like all stars, is a cosmic furnace fueled by nuclear fusion. For billions of years it has shone brightly, providing the energy that sustains life on Earth. But as with all things, its journey must come to an end. In about 5 billion years, the sun will exhaust its hydrogen fuel and begin to undergo a dramatic transformation. It will swell into a red giant, expanding to many times its current size. During this phase, the sun's outer layers will engulf Mercury and Venus, and Earth will not escape unscathed. As the sun expands, it will swallow our planet whole, bringing an end to all life as we know it. But fear not, for this is not the end of the story. While Earth may be consumed by the expanding sun, the legacy of our planet and the life it harbored will endure in the vastness of space. As the sun sheds its outer layers and eventually collapses into a white dwarf, the elements it forged during its lifetime will be scattered into space, where they will become the building blocks for new stars, planets, and perhaps even life. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time and space. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-expanding explorations of the universe.